Hi, my name is Taylor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect with your property manager in your TenantCloud account. TenantCloud has made connecting with your property managers very easy. With a simple connection request, you will be able to connect with them, view maintenance requests, pay owner distribution, as well as receive contributions from your property manager. Once a connection request has been sent to you, you will get an email to connect. Click View Connection Request to accept the connection request. Once you are in TenantCloud, click View Connection Request. Then, click the box that says Accept Connection Request. Now that you are connected, you will also see the properties that the property manager has assigned to you. To view your properties, click on Properties from the far left menu. All the properties assigned from the property manager will be listed here. And that's how easy it is to connect with your property manager on TenantCloud.